I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use sound recognition on your iPhone to get important alerts about sounds around you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too. So to set this up, we're going to open Settings, then we're going to scroll down and select Accessibility. Then we're going to scroll down to Sound Recognition and click On. Now this is going to download a package for you. This was added to your control center. You can enable or disable in your control center by toggling that. You can also toggle individual sounds by long pressing on the icon. So let's click OK. Now we're going to go into the sounds, and then here's where you can select all of the sounds that it's going to listen for. Make sure to put the sounds that are important to you or useful for you. Once you enable all the options and sounds that you want to enable, go back and you can see in your control center on the bottom right, this is your sound recognition enabled right here. And you can tap each of these to allow it to send you notifications for that particular sound. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.